Strengthening the prostate. The prostate is a gland in the male reproductive system that plays a key role in semen production. Let's identify the anterior lobe, posterior lobe, prostatic urethra, ducts, capsule, peripheral zone, central zone, and transition zone. We'll eliminate weaknesses in these components, combining them to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time, infinitely. I'll remove all mental influence from your prostate, including effects on quantum particles, atoms, molecules, and cells. I'll send this mental energy to other universes, dimensions, time, space, dark matter, black holes, and unknown realms. I balance all centered components, enhancing their stability and physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, flexibility, and coordination. I'm strengthening the anterior lobe and the entire front of the prostate. I reinforce the urinary bladder and its physical and non-physical connection to the prostate. I strengthen the prostate's back and the rectum, plus their physical and non-physical relationship. I fortify the prostatic urethra, prostate, bladder, and semen. I boost their physical intelligence to 100% with infinite potential, continuously and indefinitely. I'm reinforcing the prostatic ducts. We enhance semen transport from testicles and seminal vesicles to the prostatic urethra. I strengthen the prostate capsule to provide robust structural support. I strengthen the prostate's outer area, erasing weaknesses from other organs and its own. At 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. I boost the central zone to optimally produce fluid that maintains sperm viability. I reinforce the transition zone. I strengthen the bladder neck and its connection to the prostate. I'll eliminate benign prostate hyperplasia, active or dormant, and all its weaknesses. I optimize prostate function and boost urination to 100% with infinite potential. I enhance your body's wisdom to choose a balanced diet. I strengthen your ability to digest and absorb beneficial nutrients and substances. Strong to eliminate the effects of saturated fats, excess sugars, and processed foods on the central nervous system and prostate. I strengthen this to travel through the lymphatic system, enhancing channels, ducts, fluids, centers, and nodes to 100% with infinite potential 100% of the time. Strong to maintain proper hydration, prevent inflammation, and support normal prostate function and urinary tract health. Let's erase the cumulative effect of alcohol that has negatively impacted prostate health, and I empower you to reduce its consumption to the minimum possible, to 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I'll erase the cumulative effect of being overweight, removing all weaknesses it has caused to the prostate. I strengthen your physical intelligence to seek and maintain a healthy weight, balanced diet, and regular exercise. For maximum optimization of your organs, systems, structures, and tissues. All at 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite time. I'll strengthen your physical intelligence again to move efficiently. To boost physical skills and establish a routine that strengthens your body. We've eliminated tobacco's effects that weaken the prostate and other organs. Remember, this channel offers support to quit smoking if you have this habit. Let's erase the impact of self-neglect and lack of commitment to your health. I'll separate and remove debilitating emotions, sensations, and reactions, reducing their combined effect to 0, 100% of the time, within a finite period, balancing them to be centered, stable, and in equilibrium. I'll make you strong and neutral, same yet different, changing yet constant. I clear excess cortisol and push it out of your body through the lymphatic system. I strengthen the lymphatic system, channels, ducts, centers, nodes, and fluids to 100% with infinite potential all the time. I erase the effects of benign prostatic hyperplasia, weak urination, poor flow, frequency, and dissatisfaction. I remove all causes and sources from times when you couldn't urinate freely. For you, ancestors and descendants, to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. If you have prostatitis, this channel is strengthened to eliminate inflammation. I remove viruses, fungi, bacteria, parasites, their waste, cell-mimicking viruses, dying cells, allergens, infections, and lesions. I'll strengthen the lymphatic system to channel this through ducts, nodes, and fluids. I'll increase the negative electromagnetic field and alkaline pH. I'll decrease the positive electromagnetic field and acidic pH. I'll erase the buildup of pain or discomfort in the pelvic area. We're erasing resistance to pain and discomfort. We're erasing normalized physical pain in you and your lineage infinitely. I'll remove memories of UTIs caused by slavery and STDs in this life and others for you and your lineage. I'm erasing times you were infected and times you infected others, as well as instances where you witnessed or heard about these disease transmissions and times you ordered them. I erase all traces, remnants, and impressions to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time infinitely. I'll erase entire lives of pain, discomfort, burning, and erectile dysfunction. I erase every time you saw, heard, ordered, provoked, or experienced it. I remove all physical, emotional, and mental incapacity weakening the prostate. I'll erase accumulated feelings of failure, victimhood, shame, guilt, reproach, and regret. I'll remove the buildup of dissatisfaction and discomfort in your sexual life. I erase frustration, helplessness, disappointment, and guilt between you and others. I erase all feelings of being old and washed up. I clear distorted perceptions of yourself as a man, father, son, and professional. With all the weaknesses this may cause you, I erase criticisms, judgments, blame, shame to zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. I'll erase guilt for sexual experiences deemed dirty. I erase memories of sexual abuse in this life and others, suffered, committed, seen, heard, or ordered. I'll erase the feeling of inability to perform sexually. I erase the feeling of being unable to satisfy a partner sexually. I erase the energy of distress from dramatic situations, real or imaginary. I erase grief from deaths, accidents, divorces, illnesses, rape, fights, and infidelity. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. I erase the feeling and belief of having failed personally and professionally. I erase weaknesses activated or triggered during and after retirement. I erase the damage to your image from others as a father, son, grandfather, or professional. I strengthen this erasure and boost your physical potential, strength, endurance, speed, agility, coordination, and flexibility. I erase everything that is yours and everything that isn't. I erase all quantum particles, atoms, molecules, cells, tissues, organs, systems, and structures that remain. I'll erase it from physical spaces, surroundings, and time. I erase everything directly or indirectly involved in these weaknesses, consciously or subconsciously. I erase all traces, remnants, and impressions, as well as anything blocking this erasure. I remove your body's resistance to letting go of these debilitating memories and their resistance to leaving you. I erase it totally, completely, permanently, absolutely, and perfectly. I strengthen internal and external dynamics, limits, and vertices of all geometries we work on in this process. To zero minus infinity, 100% of the time within finite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?